Alright, Sophie Duffy, you now are going to be... Oh, no. This is family television. Put that finger away. Alright, Sophie Duff, you are going to be seen by the world. Nice. Sadie, Sophie,
Awful.
seriously. Sophie, that's not ladylike. Now show me... Show me what it's like. Sophie, seriously. Sophie. It's like that bean scene from Blazing Saddles. Remember that?
Around the campfire with your friends.
Yeah. All right, Sophie, seriously, will you show me one of your many talents? Oh. Now, obviously you can say, wow, Sean has done a phenomenal job.
Yes, that was me, America. Wait.
Nice. No, not in her face.
Okay.
Come on.
Give me some soda. Yeah, where'd all your soda go?
Remember that scene from Elf when he drank that whole 2 liter? And then it was so loud, and it's like, did you hear that? Sophie, one more time. Say something pretty. You scare the heck out of me.
No, wait.
Yeah, whatever, dude.